Hey everyone, my name is Sharon Warshaw, and today I'm going to talk to you about how we can go from essential consultant to director in under 2 years. Now, in our team, we really train and we focus on having parties in our business because it is absolutely the most efficient way to grow your customer base, to find new hosts, and to find people who are interested in joining your team, all of which are 100% necessary in order for you to promote up the compensation plan in a sustainable, consistent way without overwhelm and burnout. And that is so, so important because at the end of the day, our business is a long term commitment if you're looking for that big, long term residual income paycheck. So I have a nifty little slideshow I'd like to show you. So bear with me for just a second while I screen share our slideshow. Okay, so for today, we're talking about essential to director in under 2 years. Now, I'm assuming if you're watching this that you've actually already reached at least the certified title, but I'd like to demonstrate for you that you can, in fact, do this model from essential consultant, like from the day that you join until, I actually estimate this takes 18 months, but I know life isn't perfect, so I put under 2 years here in the title. And of course, this is based on three simple concepts. Now, first and foremost is actually the party. Now, I do have another video that is specifically about party by the numbers, but I'll review it for you real quick right here. It's so the the idea behind party by the numbers is that for every 10 guests that you have, 6 will make a purchase, 2 will book a party, 1 will be interested in the business, and 1 person will honestly just be there to eat the snacks, support her host, and play the games, right? Nothing wrong with it. Every host needs a wingman. But as you can see from this model, that this is truly the most efficient way to meet new people, meet new hosts, and find people who are interested in joining your team. And in fact, what I train for my team is to have at least 3 parties every single month. Now, that party can be just shopping links, it can be catalog parties, it can be Facebook parties, it can be just a party where you promote particular products. And the end of the month, you have a party's worth of orders where you have a host exclusive starter kit that doesn't belong to anybody that maybe you could offer to someone. Now, this is incredibly important because as you're building your business, and as you can see from the party by the numbers slide, that some of your hosts are going to want to join your business. They're going to want to join you. They want to have a business like our Scentsy business. And they're going to take all of their friends and family and the parties that were booked off their party with them. Now, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. I think that's the coolest thing on the whole planet. You're giving your new consultant a beautiful start to her business where she's going to have some long-term and immediate success. And you, as a sponsor, have the opportunity to say, look, I did that. I was able to help somebody earn at least $100 every single month right from the very beginning. And that is an incredible value to have in a sponsor. And you will, in fact, have that. But for yourself, it means that you now have a hole in your party line. So having and planning for having at least 3 parties every single month, one of which you know is going to go with the host, one of which you're going to give the host exclusive starter kit to somebody, will help you build your front line. And building your front line is where you start to really move up the compensation plan. So now, if you need to, I love this form. This form is what I call the option 1 and the option 2 form. And it is amazing. It is an amazing tool to use with your hosts when it comes time to offering them the business opportunity. See, now I believe that people really do deserve to have all of the information and to have all of the possibilities presented to them every single party. The option 1, option 2 form makes it super easy for you to share with your hosts what you're talking about when you say, hey, I'd like to offer you the host exclusive starter kit. This is a nice graphic that lets you fill in how much the host exclusive starter kit will cost them, how much they can earn in commission with the kit, how much they get in half price items, and if they have any free products left over. Now, of course, then too, that's option 1. Option 2 is just simply remaining a host. Again, nothing wrong with that. You need customers, you need hosts. We're a legitimate business. And how do we know we're a legitimate business? Because we have customers who purchase our product from us. And this form is an amazing way to show that. So when we're going back and we're looking, I'm going to go back one more screen. Am I? I am going to go back a screen. There I go. So when I'm looking at this form and I'm saying, okay, these are my party by the numbers. These are how many parties I'm looking to have. This is where I'm starting to grow. This form, the option 1, option 2 form, helps us turn our hosts into our team. And that way we've got this process where we go from this to this, easy peasy lemon squeezy. So let's look at the third one. Okay, so third one. Now, you're watching this video, you are different. Why are you different? Because you're looking to earn director sometime in the next 2 years or less. That's my theory, or less. So you're going to want to stretch yourself just a little bit beyond the way we coach every other consultant on the team. Instead of coaching for 3 parties or 3 events each month, I'd really love for you to have 4. 2 of which will be customers, again, because those customers might take their parties with them, and they may have people, and with them will go with their customers and their potential for recruits. Okay. So what you're looking to do is actually to have $1,000 in PRV instead of 600. 1 new Scentsy Club subscriber, and at a minimum 1 new recruit. Because here's the thing, guys, many hands make light work. And if you are thinking that you're going to promote up the compensation plan all on your own, that is where burnout comes in. That is where overwhelm comes in. And that is where you build a business that you cannot sustain. Because again, if life happens to your hosts, I promise life happens to you too. And I don't want you to get stuck in that position. So what we do is we work together as a team. Speaking of which, when you teach this system to your team, they can find the exact same success in their business that you are going to find in your business. You know how, you have the tools. So because we went, and now this is all back in my Party of the Power by Numbers video, you look at each tier of the party and figure out where we need to build our skills. Is it in booking? Is it in host coaching? Is it in actually presenting the party so people want to buy? Is it presenting the hosting opportunity? Is it presenting the joining opportunity? So you break down the party and you figure out which skill needs to be built. You master it, and then you teach it to your teams. And I promise you, you will find yourself at director level in 2 years or less, or 3 months or less. Okay, so that is my plan for going from essential to director in under 2 years. And I am looking forward to talking to you more about this. I am so excited. We'll talk to you guys later. Okay, bye.